everyone! This is Ning from Perfect Home. Today we have a lovely house for you to explore. This house is located in the Phufa Home Village in Saraphi. It features 3 bedroom, 2 bathroom and total property size of 51 square wall with a living area of 127 square meter. It is convenient located with easy access to airport and the city center, taking only about 50 minutes to reach. The location of house nearby Jalan Market, Tesco, Lotus, Bangkok Hospital, Chiang Mai. Let's see inside. There is a living area with sofa in L-shaped design, TV and air conditioning as well. The owner will provide some of furniture in the house. There is a storage room. Actually, it's a 1 bedroom, but for now, the owner made it for the storage room. We have kitchen area and dining area. The dining area, you can enjoy your meals while enjoying the view outside as well. The kitchen area, we have the built-in furniture, included with ovens, smoke hoods, and gas storage. The outside is designed for washing purposes. Next, let's see the bedroom and bathrooms. There is a second bedroom of the house that includes with bed, table, and air conditioner as well. Next, we will see the bathrooms. You can see the bathroom comes with sinks, toilets, shower with the water heaters. And next, we will see the master bedroom of the house. So now we're in the master bedroom of the house. There is a bathroom that includes with sinks, toilets, shower with water heater. Moving on, we have bed with king size, fan on the wall, and air condition as well. Next, we have wardrobe, and the bedroom have many windows. You can enjoy the view outside window with the lovely house. That concludes our tour of this lovely house with 3 bedroom, 2 bathroom, total area of 51 square wall and living area of 127 square meter. The village provides with 24-hour security guard and landscape gardens. Thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share, and make sure you subscribe our channel to more exciting content. We will see you next video. Goodbye.